So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix your iCloud because it have been consuming a lot of storage because of WhatsApp. For example, if you go to the WhatsApp and go to chat backup, you'll see that how many GBs is being covered on your iCloud because of WhatsApp. Here you'll see that says 3 GB. Now here there's no option to delete that from here. So in order to fix that, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, you need to go to the iCloud settings. Simply go to iCloud settings, and here in the Apple account you'll see the iCloud. Simply click on the iCloud option right there. Now here in the iCloud settings, you need to go to this option of saved on iCloud. You simply tap on see all, and here when you scroll down you'll see this option of WhatsApp right there that says 3.1 GB is being consumed. So simply turn it off from here. Now your storage have been freed and your WhatsApp storage will not cover. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.